dates, or with friends? Do you frequently lose track of your phone and keys? My name is Carlos Quiseno, and I am the Community Outreach Coordinator with Summit Consulting Group. The purpose of this presentation is to inform you of ways to keep track of inventory and analyze data, while combining and maintaining relationships so you can understand how to keep inventory organized while keeping up with the local community. The Tri-Goodwill Industries requested a conceptual prototype and launch plan for relationships building and inventory tracking from the Summit Consulting Group. Our team conducted primary and secondary research, which we later used in the design thinking process. Throughout this presentation, we will cover our primary and secondary research methods and findings, discuss our design thinking process and results, as well as present our final prototype and launch plan. First, I want to go over our secondary research in order to address the Tri-Goodwill Industries areas of concern. Our secondary research was conducted through the use of database, internet, search engines, and new websites. Our team divided our secondary research into two main topics. The first topic is customer relationships. William, in his 2014 article, stated that the best way to connect to a stakeholder is by directing their conversation toward their interest in showing appreciation for their participation. Of course, why not, right? Also, Singh, in his 2019 article, claims that CRM and social marketing can increase sales, visibility, customer loyalty, among other things. The second main topic is inventory management. Su and Piramitu, in their 2017 article, claim ratio frequency identification data can produce identified customer types to be used in customer engagement strategies. Raminga, in his 2016 article, states that mobile pay uses near-field communication, which work with the most existing point-of-sale systems. Also states that nearly half of the millennials in the U.S. prefer using mobile pay.
Now that you understand our secondary research, I will explain the research methods and findings from our primary research. My name is Cameron Conrad, the Customer Relations Administrator from Summit Consulting Group. From interviews we conducted, we gained insight into the perception and processes of another nonprofit organization. In an interview with stakeholder Lois, she informed us of the negative perception that Goodwill has. She said she will not donate or purchase from Goodwill due to her views on corporate executives. She was also unaware of the job opportunities that Goodwill provides to people. In another interview with a nonprofit retirement home manager, Salem Town, we learned about the processes and procedures it takes to have a good public perception within the community. Another form of research that we had was general and participant observations. Through participant observations, we learned that stores were mostly kept organized and clean, but there was little to no customer and employee interaction. There were brochures on the walls that would pertain to information, but these brochures blended in easily. Through general observations at Salvation Army, we learned that they were also pretty organized, but they could benefit from something such as RFID tracking. This method can be costly, but according to Landmark and Joback, the equipment for RFID is slowly decreasing in value. The last research method we had was a survey in which 37 people participated. Out of these 37 people, 80% claimed to have donated to Goodwill. 54% would rate their customer service as average, and 30% would rate it as excellent. The findings in our primary research gave us a baseline reading on the processes and the perceptions of local nonprofits.
Now that we have covered all of our research methods and findings, let's dive into the conceptualization activities our team conducted. Hello, my name is Jamal Williams. I am the Information Technology Executive with Summit Consulting Group. To develop initial concepts, we followed the 3 stages in the design thinking process. After completing the emphasizing stage via primary research, we articulated a point of view through the defining stage. Then we began the ideation stage of design thinking using an open, explore, close process. During open or divergent activities, our team kept in mind Brown and Fulling's statement from the 2016 article claiming that investment in long-term customers is proven less expensive and more beneficial in the long run. This could also be said for employees. We also considered the following statement from author's 2011 article: businesses should share information regarding services, training opportunities, and other statistics on social media. Throughout this stage in the process, we completed 3 brainstorming activities. First, we assumed another persona to view our ideas from another perspective. Then we brainstormed the worst ideas we could come up with. We then turned these ideas into good ideas. For example, the original idea, do not greet customers, turned into greet customers. The third activity we conducted is called mashup. In this activity, we came up with one of 2 types of ideas. We either came up with a brand that embodies a good quality of Triad Goodwill's goals, or picked a person or group unrelated to the Goodwill and described how our innovation will work for them. Here we categorize reoccurring things by assigning tally marks, as you can see here in Appendix J1. Then, as you see in Appendix J2, we consolidated our best ideas into our 3 main themes. Once the explore process was completed, we performed close or convergence activities. You see in Appendix K, we removed redundant ideas and kept 3 to 5 of our best ideas in convergence step 1. Then we further consolidated our ideas using the Chili table approach seen in Appendix L. During convergence step 2, we created 4 unlikely combinations of aspects from each main category. Finally, we conducted a concept analysis by discussing the desirability, feasibility, and viability of each potential concept seen here in Appendix M.
Now that you know how we apply the first 3 stages of the design thinking process, we will review the 2 final stages. Hi, my name is Lovell Kelly, and I'm the Investor Relations Officer with Summit Consulting Group. After analyzing our 4 potential concepts, our team decided to prototype and test 3 of them. According to Holly Beek, Jurek, and Tang in their 2017 article, methods for employing BBCEPs include greeting, assisting, appreciating, celebrating, and emphasizing, among other activities. Additionally, Hine states in a 2014 article, businesses can reestablish their reputation through strategic communication and analyzation of stakeholders. We kept these claims in mind throughout our prototype activities. For the mobile app, we rapid prototype different screens, which you can see here. This app would allow stakeholders access to online shopping, an event calendar, articles, and their loyalty card. Next, we will prototype the engaging with data concept and design communication board layouts. The board will provide employees work-related information and topics for communication with customers. Last, we rapid prototype our social presence concepts post. We each designed hypothetical social media posts. We shared our initial prototypes with stakeholders to test their desirability, feasibility, and viability of each prototype. I imagine you're curious about the insight gained. The mobile app prototype was not as popular as you may expect. Most feedback suggests current and potential stakeholders would not use it. Feedback on the communication board inspires us to consider using 2 boards, one for conversation topics and the other for work-related information. Moreover, the stakeholders suggest combining this prototype with a social presence prototype. Stakeholders enjoyed the social media posts and would read them if they came across them. Although most of them believe that Goodwill must combine this concept with the engaging and data concept, our team followed stakeholder advice and combined the 2 concepts. Additionally, the 2017 issue of Journal of Services Marketing states BBCEPs use the methods that maintain a company's vision and identify while supporting a community mindfulness. We developed 2 communication boards and 2 social media posts for our final prototype. From this prototype, we developed a launch plan. Lauren McPherson, our Investor Control Officer, we will explain our final prototype fits into a recommended launch plan.
Thank you. According to a 2007 article posted to the Journal of Business Strategy, combining CRM and social marketing practices will increase customer retention. We suggest that Triad Goodwill Industries implement a 2-phase launch program, with the first phase focusing on social marketing and the second phase focusing on CRM. For phase 1, we suggest activities such as local events or luncheon Phase 2 concentrates on sharing information with employees based on data and analysis. In the 2018 issue of Four Spectrum, Turgut, Taub, and Minner claim that analysis provides retailers with trends that can help them improve performance. We recommend you employ 2 communication boards, one for customer-related information and one for work-related information. Execution of our launch plan will result in momentum towards Triad Goodwill International's goals. By coupling our research findings with the design thinking process, our team fashioned a prototype and a launch plan for inventory and relationship management. The purpose of this presentation was to inform you of methods for inventory tracking, data analysis, and relationship building and maintaining. So you understand how to organize information and utilize data while connecting with your community. We designed this prototype and launch plan for improving customer relations and inventory management processes as requested by Triad Goodwill. Goodwill is eco-friendly and supports the local community. We thought it was only fair to